Hi everyone, Eric Reynolds with your Fox 10 News Now update. The number of COVID-19 patients being treated in hospitals across the state rising to the highest level in 6 months. Now, according to the Alabama Department of Public Health, there were nearly 1,600 people hospitalized with the virus yesterday. The state had 3,000 people hospitalized with COVID-19 back in January, and health leaders say that they are concerned that the state could soon hit that figure for a second time. State Health Officer Dr. Scott Harris says the Delta variant is so infectious that anyone who contracts COVID-19 is likely to spread it to 3 or 4 other people. Now, he and Alabama Governor Kay Ivey are encouraging people to get vaccinated. As the COVID cases surge, urgent care centers in Mobile County are starting to get overwhelmed. Some say that this surge is the worst yet. Greater Mobile Urgent Care has been extremely busy over the last few weeks. A doctor tells us that when the doors open in the morning, they could have up to 40 people waiting to be seen. Main Street Urgent Care tells us at points they have had a 6-hour wait. Immediate Care of the South is reporting a 4-hour wait, and Greater Mobile Urgent Care says that their wait times can be between 4 to 6 hours. Dr. Darren Waters owns Greater Mobile Urgent Care. They have 6 locations, and between all of them, they expect to see about 500 to 600 patients daily.
We thought we were out of the woods, early this summer, and it's just hit again, and it's hit with a vengeance. I mean, to me, this is far worse.
Dr. Waters says that 1 in 3 people that they test are COVID positive. With the virus spreading rampant now in the area and vaccination rates low, urgent cares are now starting to have issues with their staff getting sick. Fox 10 News is committed to being your back-to-school authority, and as students get set to return to the classroom, the Department of Education unveiling some new guidelines. In its return-to-school roadmap, the Department of Education is backing the CDC's recommendation for mask wearing. The agency advising that all teachers and students wear masks indoors regardless of vaccination status.
Hopefully, as we have vaccinations for kids and less disease in the community, we'll be able to scale back on the mask wearing.
The Department of Education is urging parents to get their students 12 and older vaccinated before school begins. They're also encouraging schools to use COVID-19 relief funds to improve the ventilation, buy more PPE, and hire more employees like nurses to help keep the schools healthy and safe.
I'm meteorologist Michael White with your Fox 10 Storm Tracker report. A little rain showing up early this morning. You can see the rain is mostly light. It's all moving in a northwest to southeast direction. No torrential downpours and no thunderstorms, but there is going to be some light showers if you're out and about early today. Now, the possibility of heavier downpours of rain and lightning certainly exist, but you're unlikely to see those popping in here until this afternoon. Now, the temperatures are cooler thanks to a front that's just offshore. We're starting off in the mid to low 70s this morning, and the high today will only be in the mid to upper 80s. So cooler air than we've seen over the last several days. However, we are going to still have decent rain coverage, especially in the afternoon and evening. So keep the rain gear close by and still follow that creed that when thunder roars, you need to go indoors. We will see the humidity levels and the heat levels rising again by the end of the week. So enjoy the cooler air while we got it. So this morning, not as humid. And then as we move in throughout your Tuesday, not as hot in the afternoon, but still decent chances of rain. And in the long range, the humidity will once again rise. Let's go through the Fox 10 Futurecast. And as we run the clock forward, you can see that shower and storm coverage ramps back up later on this afternoon, especially in the coastal spots. Make sure, again, you have that rain gear close by. Heavy rain and lightning, the main threats. The threat will last all the way into this evening and then will diminish during the nighttime hours. Here's a look at how the next 7 days are going to stack up. The high will go from the mid-80s today back into the low 90s starting tomorrow and through the end of the week and over the weekend. The morning temperatures will rebound back into the mid-70s over the weekend, so humidity will rise, and weekend weather will show not only hot afternoon temperatures but scattered periodic showers and storms. We'll talk much more about your forecast throughout the day right here on Fox 10 News Now.